Want to remove Instagram collaboration, whether it's due to changes in your content or partnership? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove Instagram collaboration. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, launch the Instagram app and go to your profile. Scroll through your feed and locate the post where you added the collaboration. In the top right corner of the post, tap the three dots to open the option. Select Edit from the drop-down menu. Here tap on the profile icon at the bottom left. Then click cross icon beside the username to unlink them from the post. After removing the collaborator, click on the tick mark in the top right corner to save your changes. Again tap on the tick mark to confirm your action. Your collaborator will no longer be tagged in the post, so this is how to remove Instagram collaboration. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.